It's been 3 years since the crash of Luna. Since then, Luna Classic have achieved few things. We had a massive pump with Binance almost a 10x and governance going live, the 1.2% burn tax. But since then, it hasn't really done much, guys. If you are a hodler of Luna Classic or you're looking to potentially buy Luna Classic, make sure you watch the video till the end. I'll share with you an update of everything that's happening with the ecosystem, share with you my exact trades at the end of the video and my price prediction. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you want to support us, support Luna Classic, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. It really helps more people find out about Luna Classic. And if there's more comments, guys, I'll hopefully make more content. And when there's more activity, and I'll be honest, I have been a bit disappointed with the updates of Luna Classic. We haven't seen as much progress as much as I would have liked. So I've not really made much content. So maybe I'll make a couple of videos a week, or when there's a big update like a repeg plan or market module or Juris update, I'll make content. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below if there's any things that you're looking forward to in Luna Classic, or a thumbs up. I hate Rocko, Juris. It really helps the algorithm and maybe push this video to potential new investors of Luna Classic or crypto. So guys, let's do my technical analysis. I'll give you an update on what's happening with the latest news, and at the end of the video I'll share with you my price prediction. So guys, Luna Classic all year hasn't really done much, and that's what I said. Since, let's say, February, we had this little push up in February, but we've been in this range, guys, for all this year. So in this 20% range, we've tried to break out, we haven't done much, and we're just going sideways. So in terms of technical analysis, there's not much to share from a high time frame point of view. Big support is here. I bought this level. I haven't sold this. Maybe I should have taken some profit, because we did another fake out. I don't think we're going to break out. If Bitcoin breaks below 100k, I think we might see something like this and then the pump up. I do expect Luna Classic to get a pump. I don't think this is a level you should be looking to sell Luna Classic. But if you're looking to trade, this level, if I go back to the longer term chart of Luna Classic, this buy zone has worked every time. Like since the crash, every time we've had massive pumps from here. So if you are bullish Luna Classic, I think this is a good level to bid, and target 00023 level. I think that's a really nice trade, and that you could look for this bull market. If we want to see higher prices, we need to see something with Juris. Maybe LO is going to conferences, trying to work with Cosmos. We need to attract new money into the ecosystem. We need a new narrative. It could be Juris. It could be an AI narrative. It could be the Trader Rocko AI coin. I've been working on this AI meme. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. I'll make more content. It's fully automated now. It's looking at LUNC and Luna Classic and on base. So working with, I mentioned Juris working with Cosmos. We need to expand and get new investment. This meme coin could be fun. You could buy this on Luna Classic as well. I'm giving you some alpha. It will be merged, and if you look at the prices of these coins, and when there's a merge, there's potential to make money on LUNC or on the base chart. So yeah, that's a bit of alpha. But yeah, we need something. We need like cookies. There's Base. There's so many Terraport. There's so many other coins. We need one of these projects to go crazy. We need a new narrative. But the biggest narrative has to be market module and USTC. If we can get something going with, yes, these upgrades are great, all these websites are amazing. If we want the next level push, I think market module is what made Luna Classic successful. So if we can get something like that going, again, I'm going into prediction video, I can expect big pumps. If we can't get anything like that going, I again expect a pump towards 200-300% pump. We're not going to see crazy rally. But I'll share with you my prediction at the end for this bull market. Just to finish up the technical analysis, so the big level is this. If you're bullish Luna Classic, I still think Luna Classic has huge potential. Again, I'll touch on it on the fundamentals, but there's so much interest in Luna Classic. We've got the users still. Users are massively down, and it's not going to be around. If we don't make it this bull market, I think investors of Luna Classic it's going to go down a lot. We're not going to see as much interest. We're already seeing interest go down in the last few months, last year, because there's not many people listening to spaces, not many people engaging with our tweets. And if we let this bull market go, a lot of investors will be upset. Like myself, I'm frustrated. So we need to make sure this bull market we do something. And if we can do something, there's so much interest with Juris, potentially with market module, USDC repeg. We can see those 1 cent, half a cent, but we need to get something going. If not, we'll probably just get another 200-300% pump and then go down. Technical analysis levels, this level is really important. 406s. It's faked out a few times. I think this time we'll hopefully, fourth time lucky. We can't fake out 4 times. Next target will be this 401 level. I think that's a really nice level. If you're taking this trade, I think that's my first target. And if we go on a full-blown bull market, then I expect us to go to this 302 level. I think that's a level that we've rejected a few times. I'd expect that to be resistance without a push. What push it will be, I don't know. Some of the things that could work. There's been some huge money moved in the Luna Classic, so 100 billion, that's a huge amount of tokens. So have they got anything planned? Why have they just staked with auto stake? So that's a potential rumor hype going on. I've mentioned the AI stuff that I'm working on. I'm trying to combine it with base and other projects. Go support us. Buy. The coin is literally worth nothing, so you could get a percentage of supply for next to nothing. We touched on, Do Kwon coming out again. There's rumors of him working on Luna Classic. I don't think he will, because he was more focused on Luna. But hey, who knows? Yeah, Juris is keep building. If we look at the Juris chart, I think this level is a good level to buy. I made a quick technical analysis. Juris is still printing, guys. It's up massively against LUNC. So if you moved your LUNC to Juris, you've 3 times your money against USDC. Even though LUNC price is going down, Juris is doing well. But Juris is a LUNC project. For Juris to be successful, LUNC has to be successful. It goes hand in hand. So it's really important that LUNC does well. Again, I just want to re-emphasize that. In terms of Juris, again, check out our spaces. But staking's coming, which is huge. We've mainnet testing. I think that's when I thought we'll get the pump, but we've already got the pump. And then Frag's coming back from holiday. There's airdrops. There's lots of cool stuff going on. So go check out Juris. There are quite a few meme coins that are doing well. So there's LUNC, there's Trader Rocko AI on TerraSwap. There's Cookie. There's few cat with hat, some of the meme coins that you could support. Anything that we can do well is going to bring interest. People buying Luna Classic is bullish. So those are some of the topics I wanted to share with you guys that's been going on in Luna Classic. The other thing is the DeFi market module stuff. So we had a vote pass for market module no mint. So hopefully we see some updates on this. I'm really excited for this. I said before, the biggest bullish case for Luna Classic is USTC, is market module. We have to make something work with this. So this is huge. I'm looking forward to seeing updates from this from Vegas and Stratco. USTC staking, it got rejected again. There is another thing I want to touch on, is the Redlines USTC proposal. I have tweeted a few things about it, but we haven't really seen a concrete plan. I think he said it's taking a bit longer. So that is a bit frustrating. Let's see what happens. If it takes a bit longer, I'm happy to wait, but I really need something in the bull market. So he's basically got a fully backed stable coin, which is Mika compliant, and that could really generate interest into the Luna Classic world. So let's see what happens with that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if I've missed anything. I mentioned some other projects as well. Not just I'm not just shilling Juris, which the project I'm part of. There's Terra, there's Selenium, there's Wiso, Cookie I've mentioned. So there's lots of other projects as well. Hopefully they can do something. I mentioned going into conferences, working with Cosmos. Juris is listing on Osmosis with Atom Pair. I think that is bullish. We need to work with Cosmos. I think we need to be partner up and look to get new money in. Unless we do that, guys, there's not going to be, we're just going to be dumping on each other. We need new money to come in, like, money coming into Bitcoin, into Ethereum. If you guys know, I'm massive Ethereum bull. I think that's my biggest bag at the moment. I'm not ashamed to say that. If Ethereum goes to 10k, guys, I might be able to retire again. Hopefully this time properly, not not taking profit like with Luna. But yeah, Ethereum, I'm really bullish. I literally called the bottom here, guys. I was saying Ethereum bottoms here in altcoin season at 0.019, and we are up 0.019. You can see where that price was. It's almost up 2x from that. So I think Ethereum will carry on pumping towards here. And then, yeah, I think around about when it goes to 0.1, I'm going to move to Bitcoin and take some profit. But Ethereum is great. It's going to help lots of other coins push up with DeFi, Aave, Maker, Uni. And I think hopefully some of the attention comes to Luna Classic as well. But we need to work. We need to go out there and do, we can't just sit here and wait for Binance burns. Binance burns are great. We see these burns that Binance do, which is amazing. But we can't just rely on that. If we do rely on that, I told you my thoughts on Luna Classic. We'll just probably get another pump to 0.0002, maybe even 0.0003, which is still good. And if you're looking to invest, I think you can. That's a really good investment. One thing about Luna Classic is, like, again, not financial advice. If you buy a coin, you could literally get rugged and it goes 90%. You'd think Luna Classic won't do that because it's more like, it's a L1, it's a community governance project, but you can still get a nice 300, 400, 500% pump. I think these are possible. So 0.0002 is like more like a reasonable target. And if we want to see like 1 cent, half a cent, 0.1% of a cent, I think that's when we need a new narrative. And I mentioned, could it be AI? I don't know if it's AI. I don't know if it's going to be Juris. I hope it's Juris. That's one of the big bags I'm working on. I hope it's USDC repeg market module, but we need something. If we don't see that, I don't see we're going to get a massive pump. We'll probably target 0.0002. If we can get something going, I think I'm going to put my neck on the line and say we can target 0.001. Those are the two predictions. I will try and make at least 2 videos a month. If there's lots of updates, I'll be more regular. Let me know if you want the live streams back. I used to do live streams, live trading. The bull market is back. I might be back doing some live streams. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys soon. Goodbye.